Google recently released its Nano Banana, which is image model, and it is one of the best currently available. And I will show you the way how you can get it right in your Photoshop. The process is quite simple. You actually need only two things, which is a script and API code. And I will show you how to get both. The script was made by Rob De Winter, and it works like magic considering it costs only $9. You can find the script on Gumroad. There is a link in the description below. And in here, if you scroll down, you can see an easy setup manual. So if you buy it, you will see this window, and only thing you need to do is to download this JSX file, which is a script for Photoshop. Then you will locate your Photoshop folder, open it, and you will find presets. Scroll down, scripts, and you will paste it here. As you can see, mine is already here. You can check if it works right in Photoshop. You will go to File, Script, and in here you can see Nano Banana. But it won't work yet because you don't have an API key, which you will get from Replicate. So you can go on Replicate or use this link. You'll get there. You would need to sign up before if you haven't used it. And there are just two simple things you need to do. First one is going up here, account settings, billing, and now you just need to transfer some credit. Either let it auto reload or just transfer a certain amount. I did send $10. And the second thing is going to API tokens, where you will find default one, or you can create your own. I named mine PS, and you will just copy this API key, and that's it. Then you will go to Photoshop, File, Script, Nano Banana, and if you are using it for the first time, there will be a pop-up window where you will just paste that API key, hit OK, and you are done. I already did that, so I cannot show you this step. But it's super easy. Now it notifies us that it works only with active selection. Hit OK, and let's take a look at this chef. Just to compare, we can use selection brush, select his head, and we can use standard generative fill and prompt make him look into a camera. And now you see it actually didn't do what I want. Maybe this one, but the colors are completely off. There is a weird halo around the generation area, so it's completely unusable. Let's delete it. And we can try the same thing with Nano Banana. File, Script, Nano Banana. I didn't create a selection. Let's do that. Select, File, Script, Nano Banana. Make him look into a camera. It's getting generated. And as you can see, the result is night and day. It looks super cool. Actually, the colors are consistent and it's still him. It didn't change his face. Therefore, it's way more capable model than the native one from Photoshop. Also, if you zoom in, there is still quite enough of definition, so it's not like low res or something. So, we have the guy looking in the camera. Let's zoom in and also make him smile a bit. Selection brush. Select the mouth area and do the same thing again. Script. Nano Banana. Make him smile. In case of generation time, I think it's generating even faster than the native Generative Fill with Photoshop, which is super cool because if you are working on something, you don't want to wait too much with every single iteration. Now he is smiling. Maybe do something a bit more creative. Let's select this part, and I want him make him cut an onion. And he did exactly what I asked for. It's onion. It's not low res, quite useful. So I think we are fine. Now we can do something else. Let's select knife, file, script, bigger knife. It's different, it's probably a bit bigger, but I'm fine with that. I would also like to place an olive oil here. File, script, Nano Banana. Put an olive oil bottle. Okay, we have our bottle here. And now maybe I would like to add a logo here. Let's do selection, script, Nano Banana, place an olive logo on his clothes. And it did just that. As you can see, it just didn't place a simple color on it. It looks like manufactured right on the fabric. And if I zoom in, it's still quite enough definition. Therefore, I am super happy. One last thing might be to maybe change his shirt to be, let's say, green. File, script, make his shirt green. Well, what to say? There is a bit of bleach where it actually colored also the blue part, but since it's just a mask, it is really convenient to maybe get rid of that blue color, as you can see. And we are done. Let's group all our adjustments, and you can see before, after, and it also does not look weird, which is super cool. Let's try a different image. In here we have a guy holding a longboard. So first we can, of course, get rid of it. Select file, script, remove longboard. It's gone. Just look, quite high definition. The hand looks fine. I don't see any issues with that. Now I want a red backpack. Make a backpack red. Now let's try something different. File, script, Nano Banana. Make him hold a leash with a dog. And now we have a dog which looks way better than I expected. There is a little glitch because the hand is cut here. Probably my selection wasn't big enough, but this is just the case where I would maybe use only the Generative Fill. No need to waste your credits, because this probably could be fixed quite easily. Just as I told you, now it looks super cool. Dog, guy, no longboard, we have a red backpack. I think I'm happy with this one. And let's try the third one. And now with this last image, let's change what they are drinking. I will do a selection around bottles, and we can use script, and let's write make them hold orange juice bottles. Cool. Change the basket in the background for the one with oranges. Now I'm super happy with it. There is probably problem with the mask, so let's fix it. I think it's quite easy just to maybe get rid of this part, and right now we can use standard generative fill and fix this bug. However, I'm pretty sure such adjustment would not be possible just with generative fill in Photoshop. And now we are done. Let's group our adjustments, and here you can see it works magic. So I think that this tool is a must-have because it's quite cheap and is really powerful. You will find every single link in the description, and stay tuned for the next one.